Bonsoir à tous. Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyanshu. In the previous video, we learned about the conjugation of the verbs être, avoir, and aller in affirmation and negation. We also did some sentences for the purpose of understanding the formation of sentence with the verbs être, avoir, and aller. Today, we are going to conjugate the verb vouloir. So, how do we pronounce this? This is pronounced as vouloir. We are doing the pronunciation first in affirmation. Je veux, tu veux, elle en veut. This is pronounced as veut. Same here and same pronunciation is here. Nous voulons, vous voulez, elle veulent. This is the conjugation in affirmation. The meanings are I want. In informal, that is the tu form, you want. He or she or we want. Here we can add s for he or she. He wants, she wants, and we want. Again, we want in formal manner, you want in formal manner, and then they want. This is how we conjugate the verb vouloir in affirmation. Je veux, tu veux, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, elle veut. Now we conjugate this in negation. So in negation it will be je ne veux pas, tu ne veux pas. What is the formation in negation? Sujet plus ne plus verb plus pas. Ne is placed before verb, pas is placed after the verb. The third one is il, elle, on, ne veut pas. Nous ne voulons pas. Vous ne voulez pas. Il, elle ne veulent pas. This means I don't want. Informal, you don't want. Here, he or she or we. For he and she does not want. And for we do not want. Then nous form will be we do not want or we don't want. Informal, again, for vous, you don't want or you do not want. And for plural form, they do not or they don't want. So we will do some sentences just like we did for aller and avoir. So the first one is je veux un chocolat. I want a chocolate. This is a masculine singular noun pronounced as chocolat. The second one is tuna. This is in negation. Tu ne vas pas. The règle. You don't want a ruler. Third one, il ne va pas. The vélo. We have already done the rule of negation that indefinite articles un, they changes to the or d apostrophe in negation. So this the and here the should have been un règle and a vélo. However, when we do it in negation, then we change it into the. So this is he does not want a bicycle. Velo means a bicycle. This is pronounced as velo. The next one is elle veut une robe. She wants a dress. Robe is a dress. Pronunciation is robe or hob, but pronounced as robe. The next one is a voiture maison. We want a house. Maison is a feminine singular noun, just as robe or règle. So the next one is nous ne voulons pas de thé. This is pronounced as thé, which means we don't want tea. The next one is elle ne veut pas de voiture. They don't want a car. The last one is elle veut de orange. This is an orange, which is a feminine singular noun. Here it is in plural form. Pronounced as orange. However, the liaison rule will be applied here. Here the pronunciation will be Jorange. They want oranges. So these are the sentences formed using the verb vouloir, and the first one is in pronunciation: Je veux un chocolat, tu ne veux pas des règles, il ne veut pas de vélo, elle veut une robe, on veut une maison, nous ne voulons pas de thé, elle ne voulait, ils ne veulent, this is pronounced as veulent, ils ne veulent pas de voiture, elles veulent des oranges. So please practice the conjugation of the verb vouloir in present tense. These are all conjugations in present tense. In affirmation and negation, please practice them at least twice daily. And if you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, please share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel Master French with Vidyanshu, and do press the bell icon so that you get all the updates on time. A très bientôt.